Hello everyone. Today I am here to share some informations regarding Oxford vaccine. The sponsors: University of Oxford, the Jenner Institute Operation WebSpeed UK Ministry of Health. And the study design and details. Background: the Oxford Vaccine Group at the University of Oxford are developing a new vaccine candidate for COVID-19. How does the vaccine work? The vaccine called ChAdOx1 nCoV-19 is being developed at unprecedented speed. Type of vaccine: it is a chimpanzee adenovirus vaccine vector called AZD1222, previously ChAdOx1. It is made from a genetically engineered virus that causes the common cold in chimpanzees. It has been heavily modified first so it cannot cause infections in people, and also it make it look more like coronavirus. Achievements: the team has previously developed a MERS vaccine. Study material: the vaccine candidate also showed an immune response in mice and pigs according to the information. The study design: a phase 1 and 2 single-blinded multi-center study of 1,090 healthy adult volunteers aged 18 to 55 years with 4 treatment arms. The participants in 2 treatment arms will receive a single dose of AZD1222 or MenACWY, that is meningococcal vaccine. A third treatment arm will receive AZD1222 and a booster at 4 weeks. In a fourth arm, participants will receive AZD1222 or MenACWY together with 1 gram of paracetamol, that is acetaminophen, every 6 hours for 24 hours. The trial is active but not currently recruiting. The outcomes: preliminary result from the trial published in The Lancet showed the vaccine candidate had an acceptable safety profile, with most patients demonstrating an antibody response after 1 dose and all patients showing a response after 2 doses. Were there side effects? There were some side effects such as fever, headache, muscle ache, and injection site reaction that were observed in about 60% of the patient, but all these were deemed mild or moderate and were resolved during the trial. There were no serious adverse events. Status: the phase 3 trial to conclude by November, mass production expected by 2021. Currently, the phase 3 clinical trials are being conducted in research facilities across UK, US, Brazil and South Africa. The trials are also expected to start from the next week in India in partnership with Serum Institute of India. An upcoming phase 3 trial of 30,000 participants and the pediatric trial. A phase 3 trial of AZD1222 is being funded by Operation Warp Speed. Collaboration: EQVIA announced they are partnering with AstraZeneca to advance clinical trials for the vaccine. The Pune-based Serum Institute of India has entered into a license agreement to supply 1 billion doses of vaccine to the middle and low-income countries, including our India. The company's CEO, Adar Poonawalla, had earlier said it will produce 5 million doses per month for the first 6 months before ramping up production. We can hope this will be available before the end of this year or the next year because it is a genetically modified vaccine. Thank you. Have a nice day.